Chilling on the water. This is what we like to do.
I'm qualified too. I can't believe it.
Happened in the... Right, back in the boatyard. Just got back from Southampton from the boat show. We've got this side to polish. Was it Monday afternoon? Boat's going back in the water Friday. Got a lot to do. I did get this side polished last week. So this side's looking good. Got new transducer coming and some underwater lights and swim platform ladder, which is here. So I've got a bit to get on with. And a secret squirrel. Let's see how she's getting on. She is off to Gibraltar. Oh look, radar arch is down. Not been anti-fouled yet. There's Moretti, looking good. Looking very good. Right, let's get some more polish on it.
So today I'm sanding the legs of the table down using a pad of 120 to see what that brings it up. As you can see, it's rust on it. So let's see how it goes. Right, so as you can see, I've been sanding part of this down. It doesn't look too bad. I think it needs a bit more, but that's a 120 pad. It's probably the highest I've ever got. But I'll do the rest of the table and we'll see what it looks like. See what the end result is. Happy days. What are you doing, Ben?
So it's got a delivery. So it's Tuesday evening. Boat's going in the water Friday. But some cool bits have arrived. Look, got a Garmin transducer, and this is for the underwater lights that haven't arrived yet. Yeah. But we've got a couple of days. So we'll get it fitted. We've also got from Ship Shape Bedding some plastic to template the outdoor seats. So you may have seen, I don't know which order the videos are going to go out, but we've ordered some seats from the boat show from Ship Shape Bedding, and they're going to do well, I'm not going to tell you the pattern, but it's going to be cool. Yeah, it ain't just normal plain white with a blue stripe or anything like that, and it ain't boring all grey or anything like that. It's OurBoatyVerse style. Alright, so we've got we've got a lot of work to do actually. Rich is going to be here tomorrow. He's going to fit the swim platform ladder. In fact, I don't know if I said about this. Let me take you out and show you the swim platform ladder. One of the first things that annoyed me about this boat, and we've got a lot of crap to clear up as well, is the swim platform ladder. So here is the new one. So this one will be underneath the swim platform, like this, and come out and put it on the floor. Right, drop down like that. So like most other swim platform ladders. So that underneath the platform. But on here, the one on here at the moment is on top of the platform, and look at it. It's like ugly, sticking out. I'm just going to end up smacking that into something, and it goes over and down. So the new one's going to be underneath here, and then just pull out and drop down, and that'll all be looking like it should. Alright, polish the boat. So yeah, we've got a bit of a shine going on now. Beautiful, see that reflection? Alright, still lots to do. I haven't done anything up this side, but I can do all this when it's in the water. So yeah, gonna have a play with some bits, and Bird's gonna go to the pub quiz. So I'm gonna crack on and get some more jobs done. Alright, see you later. Alright, back in the boatyard. Things have been going slow, so for different reasons we're moving the launch date from tomorrow to Monday. So anyway, Brother Rich is fixing some strengthening onto the swim platform, because I've hit rid of the old swim platform ladder that was on the top of the platform. I've got this one here, which is going to sit nice and neatly underneath where swim ladders should be, not up on the top in the way. So yeah, you may remember I was talking about underwater lights. I ordered them on Sunday, express delivery, so it's Thursday today. It's still not here, and not going to be another 48 hours. So move the launch date to Monday. It's going like this. New Garmin controller for the lights, not the right one for these lights, so that's got to go back. Gets worse. New Garmin transducer, wrong type. That's for that's for outboard boats and not stern drive boats. But it doesn't say that. I didn't know. That's why it's a fancy transducer thingy. So probably not going to bother with transducer. Just use the one that's in the boat already. Been busy doing other things. So we've got Richard's put a new element in the water tank so it doesn't pop the fuse all the time. Got more plug sockets in. Still got lots to do. But Thursday, got tomorrow off, so I'll get on with some more work. Alright, let's get the swim platform ladder done.
We have here is two of them trying to fit a step ladder to the swim platform. We have Bella, the horse, there, and Buster, the little Jack Russell, here. Bella's boyfriend, and Paul. Let's go over and see what they're doing.
Bella! What do I do? You've got the fucking waterfall over here. Bella? Come here. Come here. What do I do?
What are you
Things
doing?
we do.
That's a nice step ladder, isn't it?
Nice boarding ladder. It goes under.
That is a lovely boarding ladder.
People will put that on the top of the swim platform now, way.
Yeah.
But we do some modifications and some finishing off later on down the line when we're back in the water. But for now, just got to get the thing on.
Look very nice until it gets all rusty.
Oh, the rest is stainless.
Oh, is it?
Yeah,
Okay,
like that.
there we go.
That's when it come off.
That's the old one.
There's actually nothing wrong with it.
This is the new one.
Except it was just in the wrong position. I didn't like it. So
That one is much better.
there first. Right. So swim ladder finally is fitted. Hours later.
Yeah.
Yeah.
As always.
Yeah, we could have recessed it in a little bit further, but we wanted to utilise the metal plate that we discovered us under here. So Rich is going to demonstrate it, see if it works.
Well, I'm carrying a bit more timber, so
If it can hold Rich,
I'm
it'll
a bit
hold.
nervous.
Look at that! He's out of the sea, away from the sharks. He's up.
That's taking a bit of weight, that is.
So there we go. So the old one, if you remember from the other video or earlier, was sat on the top of the ladder here, stuck out, and then it was just resting on top of the platform. So in the way, this is nice and neat, out of the way. There we are.
Only took 3 hours to sit.
3 hours, 2 beers.
Oh,
Yeah. Right, progress, kind of. No, it's progress. We're going there. It's a lot to do. Every job takes forever.
on a boat.
On a boat.
Oh, Christ.
So generator's sold, so that's being taken away next week. Tables mostly sanded down. Bird's doing that, so she's going to spray paint that tomorrow. And I've got some new waste pipes in, so yeah, getting there. Elmo took a piss. Elmo the dog, he took a piss on the swim platform yesterday, christened it for us.
Look.
That is what happens.
See it all the way down there?
Probably not. I don't want to touch it. That's gross.
None of ours, but I got stuck it all day.
That's gross. Alright, we're making progress, guys. So, oh yeah, if you like little videos, please click the subscribe button. We've got over 500 subscribers today, so thanks everyone. And we'll keep showing you the crazy things that we get up to. And there'll be some boating going on as well when we get it in the water. Right guys, this bit's exciting. Finally arrived. So it's Friday, the boat should have gone in the water, but we're still in the yard. Still in the yard because the LED lights that I ordered from Protest Marine on fast delivery, so next day delivery on Sunday, only just arrived today from ASAP Supplies. So they're here. What do you think of these? Look at that. Hello A2s. So we're going to get them fitted tomorrow. Me and brother Rich, once he gets home from work, and got a pair of those. Got a load of wiring. Obviously, I told you about the Garmin control box. Doesn't work with these lights. So I'm just trying to find someone that supplies the Hella control box, but that doesn't matter for now. Just get the lights in, get it fitted, and we're good to go. We still got loads going on in here. I mean, look at it. There's a mess everywhere. So yeah, Friday, I got all afternoon, and then I've got all day tomorrow and all day Sunday. So we will get there. So how to install underwater lights? That's going to be interesting, to say the least. But keep watching, we'll find out. Alright.
What are we up to today then? Let's see, let's find out.
Well, I'm trying to wire in a plug socket, trying to find somewhere to get to. So this was over the top of there, so I prized it off, and I thought there's going to be an access panel behind there. Found it, put that back. So, spent 20 minutes prizing it off carefully. It comes off, nothing there. Got a multi-tool, nibble away, just see what's behind there, and then we might be able to run a cable so I get it plugged up here. So I cut that out, nothing there. So just going to go for it. Sounds hollow-ish. There's a plug over that side, so it's going to something like that. Yeah. Need sockets this side.
You don't think maybe we should do it there then on the...
No, it'd be the same all the way along.
Do you think?
I don't know. So they build a boat. But yeah.
I mean, plug socket's there. Yeah. Should we go where that crap there is?
No, because this is the same distance from there to there. Same.
Is it?
This bit is. This depth.
Okay.
Right,
Okay.
Just get on with it. Right.
It's gonna do it.
I don't want to plug right there.
I think he's doing it just because it's his side of the bed, probably. And whereas I got all the way over there to go to.
Okay, it's a boat and it's simple. So we'll crack on, see what we get to. Alright. Switch it off now, Ugh. Another layer. Fucking hell.
I did say, if you look at that one,
Yeah.
GRP.
Deep does this need to go? I just screwed it straight into that.
That's alright, because you don't really want to cut into that, do you?
I'll have to just get the cable through to it.
Oh right, okay.
I don't want to cut the whole thing out. I'm just
cut a hole in there. Yeah.
Flush. Just cut a piece of my boat out for a plug socket reckon it.
Look how thick that GRP is.
Yeah, fucking great big hole. Alright. What I don't know is, can I get a wire from there under the bed?
Under there.
Sorry, up to there.
Under that way, not this way.
Connect it over to there. Alright. Fun. Yeah, for a plug socket.
So what are you going to fill
Like
it
it.
if you can't do that?
I'm just going to bond the plug socket to it, and it would be a plug socket with no wires. But
Your
I
fake
ain't gonna
plug socket.
do that. Right, let's find a way through. Getting somewhere. Right, got a cable through. The depth of that is so thick that I've had to cut the lugs off of this because it's too thick to go around the back of it. So I shall screw that into the sides. Managed to get the cable through. The bird got under there and grabbed it. So that's one half. Now I've got to reach it under there and up the other side.
Where does the cable go out of here then?
Alright. Slowly but surely.
Where's this
Get it
cable
somewhere.
go the other way? Is there another hole down there? But we'll get it up there.
We've got to try to, yeah.
Okay, so you want it down there? Or?
Alright. Right, got the cable through. So got it through the hole. Got under the bilge. Got under there, running up there. Over the top. And then there is a little cable conduit thingy over there somewhere. Which we managed to get it into. So it comes out in the wardrobe. So that there is our bow thruster. Big old beast. 2 batteries for the bow thruster. Crikey. So the bird's trying to get the wire up through the back of that hole so we can connect it in. Careful with the fiberglass, bird. Itchy. Right. Had a lot of work for a plug socket. Bloody hell. Right. Done. Just so got a nice shiny plug socket there with USB and USB-C, and bird's got one. Hers is a bit further away, and there's that single one there I want to change, but they sent me the wrong one. So yeah, hours of fun putting a plug socket in.
Not fun. Not fun.
Yeah,
I'm ready to
it's worth it.
go.
So progress on to the next job. Right, doing a little test. Make sure they work before you put the lights on the boat, of course. Right. Open the door. Open the door.
Oh, that's quite bright, isn't it? Wow. And you're going to test the other one as well? It might be worth checking it works before we put it on.
Okay, well, camera can't change colour, but they work.
So what we...
So I can wire up to that Garmin module, because I think from instructions I can wire up to that.
I was going to say, so what do we need to buy then? The controller to go with it,
No,
then
I
we
think
should...
that one will work what I've got.
Okay.
Nigel was saying the wattage is too high, but the instructions say Earth bypasses the module to take current draw away from the module. So we will see. I've got to do a little research. Well, I'll go ask Nigel. Nigel, I'm going to give you a ring. Right, that's that one.